camera. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do a plan with me video. So this is a DIY version of it. I kind of wanted to get the traveler's notebook, but I couldn't. And I have two planners right here. This is my happy day planner, and so this is from 18 month, and this starts in July. And this planner will be my huge planner for like I guess I'll have two planners, one for home, I guess one I can take to go, and then this is just my daily one where I can take wherever with me. And if I want to take this one, I can take this one too, but since it's like really huge, I won't. And this starts, like I said, this starts in July. If you see my haul video, I put pockets in here. It came with, I bought it, and this is a vertical layout, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna start planning vertical layouts like this. But yeah, so this is just this is both my daily planners. I kind of use this as a notebook, and this is from NIKON Happy Day Planner, my Happy Day Planner. And since ERIN is really expensive, I'm gonna stick with this. But I kind of had this, so I made my own. And I had like a notebook, so I customized it and I made my own. So it came with a ribbon, so I can just put a ribbon in here. So this is a note-taking planner, or note-taking. It's Erin Condren Line Rule Note on the Go Note. And since I can't, like I said, since I can't afford the traveler's notebook, I decided to get this. And I put my names on here, Jessica Wires, and that's like my first and last name. It has a really nice feel to it, and it says your life story, begin to write well and edit often. And the rims are like gold. And yeah, and this is note to self, think more, this is 100. So I got this pineapple clip from my haul. So if you see my planner haul, I will upload it either really soon, and I'm going to edit. So this is what it is. So it's really nice, and I kind of use this as like a journal where I kind of wrote how I felt. And I kind of have a lot of them, so I decided to dedicate this to my daily planner on the go, because I can just put this in my pocket, and instead I can't get the traveler's notebook, I might as well just use this. So until I can afford the traveler notebook, because it takes a lot to buy all the inserts and stuff like that. So until then, I have this DIY notebook here. So this is what it looked like so far, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it and whatnot. So so this is what it looks like, as you can see. Oopsie, the camera's like moving. This is what it looks like, as you can see right here. It will go a little bit closer. So oopsies, put the clip here. So this is the month of June, and I used these stickers right here. These stickers are super amazing. These are my Happy Day, oopsies, my 360 Happy Day planner stickers. These are super amazing, and it has numbers in it, and this has about 7,000 pictures or ones. And I used the day stickers, and I jot this down. And I use my washi tape to do it, because I like vertical layouts instead of like the horizontal, because I feel like I can have more space with the vertical. And then I use this little date dot stickers, or little stars, I'm thinking, and I put it on the side to kind of like bullet points. So this starts from June 1st or 2nd, which is today, and this is 2nd, what I'm going to do tomorrow. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So first I'm going to probably take it step a little more back. Oh yeah, so oopsies. So first I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to take your, I'll touch the cans. So you're going to take your bulletin and move this thing out of the way. Hopefully my fingers aren't in the way. And then I lined it. Make sure it's perfectly straight. As I can see, it's a little bit crooked. So I'm going to fix it. And I got these, there you go. I feel that is straight to me. And if normally I would have a ruler, but I don't have one, so just gonna wing it. There you go. So I think, oops. So just gonna wing it. Just try to center as much as possible. There you go. So I'm gonna cut the excessive paper with my scissors. And it's pretty much simple. I mean, if you have a ruler, this will help. But since I don't, I just have to wing it. And try to make sure that it is even. There you go. So I have excessive paper. So it looks like this, pretty straight. I have the excessive paper and I'm going to cut out the extra post-it. If anything, you can always, you know, fold it back. Then I'm gonna make more room because I noticed I didn't have any room. So to make it too much room, I'm just gonna use the extra tape so I know where the line is. Because I feel that it's crooked. So one thing I like about this kind of washi tape, it doesn't really stick to the paper. It's perfectly straight. So I'm gonna I put the extra washi tape because you don't want to waste it. Washi tape is really, really expensive. I mean, you can find some for really cheap, but because it's expensive, yeah. So I lined it like this. Again, I will take my scissors and, oops, take my scissors. There you go. Take my scissors and cut the extra. It's okay if it sticks out. Because I noticed I had a little room less room on Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to extend it like this. Oopsies. Hold on a second. Whoa. Dropping washi tape isn't awesome. Okay, So now that I have the full-on layout thing, or layout, I'm going to get my date stickers. So this is 6, and I'm continue on this page. I notice I have here. So I'm gonna, so like I said, these are a bunch of stickers. It's super, super amazing. So I'm gonna take my 7. We're going to peel it off. Oopsies. Okay, I got it. Oops. So I'm gonna get 7 and put it up here, like so. So I have 7. And we'll probably put a yellow in there because that kind of sort of looks like the same. And oopsies. Probably because I write small. And then I'll do it throughout the whole video. So let's go. There you go. So there you have it, and I can just write things. I don't know what I have planned for Friday and Saturday, but if I figure it out, I will let you guys know. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to plan throughout the whole like daily thing, and then for like so this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can have an idea, and again. So then I can just take this wherever I go, and I can also like, so this is just my daily planner that I kind of sort of did for myself, and I got some video ideas, and I can just write it. So this is pretty much it so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give a video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and click that bell so you're notified when I upload. And stay tuned for more planner videos, plan with me videos. I will do them real soon. And yeah, so I'll do more planning videos, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, see you guys next time on Time With Me videos. Until then, mahalo noa, aloha oi, and comment down below if you have any ideas or any suggestions on videos. Anyways, mahalo noa, aloha oi. Catch you guys on the next wave. Shoots, cousin Ohana.